Hello, and it's welcome to our first video on understanding the Arduino IDE, the software that empowers your Arduino projects. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced maker, this video will help you get started and make the most of your Arduino coding journey. So let's begin by introducing the Arduino IDE. It's the official software for programming Arduino boards. You can download it for free from the Arduino website and install it on your system. Once it is being installed, launch the Arduino IDE and open this, and you will see the first program. So here's a quick overview of the interface. On the top, you have the menu bar. These are the menus which we will use a lot in the future, and you have different options for opening, saving, writing script, taking example code for different purposes, and the toolbar that has buttons like uploading. These are the upload buttons, and this is the verifying buttons to verify your code. On the left, you have the sketch menu. You can see here this is a sketch menu bar, and this is verifying, compiling, uploading, and this also include different libraries which already we have installed, and later on we will learn how we can install different libraries and how we can install from the external source, or whether we can also install different libraries from this tab. When you click on this tab, you will see this is the library manager tab, and you have a lot of libraries. What type of library you are using, then search here and type something like I want to uh, install a library for the BHT22 temperature sensor. Then you can see here this is already being installed. And if you do not have installed, then install this like this. So this is basically our program, the Arduino IDE, how it is working. Now let's break down this code, how it is working. So once you have write your code, then click on this, and first of all you have to verify your board, which type of board you are using. So by clicking on this button, and you will see select other board. When you click on this, then you will see this is different type of board, and search here like we are using Arduino Uno, and you will see here when you select this, then it will select here. And once you connect your Arduino board, then here now this is hide because we do not have connected our board here. So once you connect your board, then the communication port will appear here. So now select the communication port which it is appear. If you do not see the communication port if already your Arduino board is connected, then you will first verify your from the device manager, and let's see here, and you will see different devices, and when it is connected, then you will see here a port, uh, a port, a driver. So it will be detected automatically. If it does not detect automatically, then you have to install your communication port. Normally the communication port are using for the different IP devices or the CH 341. So if you do not have this driver installed, so install this from the browser using Google or what. Once you install these different drivers, then uh, you can then verify your code and click on this upload to upload your code. So now let's see how the different section is working. So once you have write your code, you can upload it to your Arduino by clicking the upload button, and this sends your code to the Arduino board, and it starts running. How you can verify your code and troubleshooting. If there is any error in your code, then IDE will let you know. You can click the verify button to check for the errors. Like uh, let's see this not a good code. So you can see here a message, error message indicating that L is not defined. So L is not declared and it is being used undefined. So first we will define L, what is L, and what we are doing on this. So basically this button is used for verification of your code, and the right side you can see here a serial plotter and a serial monitor. So we do not have currently any board connected, so we will see this on virtual platform. We will use how it is working. So currently we are not using this one, and we will later use how it is working. So the Arduino community is vast and helpful. You can find documentation, tutorials, and forums on the Arduino website. Plus, there are countless YouTube tutorials and books on Arduino programming to help you learn and expand your skills. So let's begin the basic code and how it is working. So let's see. This is two function normally used in every Arduino programming. So in the every sketch, you will see these two setup and loop functions. So in this sketch, you can see here the setup function is used only once. When the Arduino is powered on, then this function will execute only once, and then the Arduino will run continuously using this loop function. For example, if you configure an LED, let's see if you configure an LED, let's say pen mode, and let's say LED and output. So I configure that the LED is output pin. Okay, I configured that this LED should be output. So let's see. First, define an LED. What is LED? LED is connected to the pin number 7. So you'll define like this, or you can also define like this define LED and like this. You can also doing this, and you can also use an integer value for LED, but in a constant integer is suitable for the pin configurations. So we normally use these two types of configuration for the pin configuration of Arduino. So and once your program is run, then it will set up this LED pin is output. Okay, and every time the Arduino, you know, or which type of Arduino you are using, it will considering that the LED pin is always output. Okay, it is always using is an output pin. And now let's see perform different function on this. So we can write like this is digital write LED turn on. If you want to turn on the LED and then make a delay, let's see 1 second delay. It is basically 1000 millisecond delay. And then let's see digital write and LED 0. So this means that high signal is um, high signal is generating towards the LED, and this means that a low signal is generating towards the LED, and this will turn on the LED and turn off the LED. So this will run continuously every time. Okay. So this was basically the understanding of this Arduino IDE, how it is using and how it is working. So in our programming, we will mostly use Tinkercad virtual platform where different Arduino IDE, different boards are available virtually. So we will use that in the upcoming lectures. Thank you very much.